There are two developments that are really quite fascinating and worth noting. One is in Britain, a new law on coercive and controlling behavior. It applies only in domestic or familial situations, but the language that they use is really quite compelling. Controlling behavior is a range of acts designed to make a person subordinate and or dependent by isolating them from sources of support, exploiting their resources and capacities for personal gain, depriving them of the means needed for independence, resistance, and escape, and regulating their everyday behavior. Does that sound familiar? Now, in this limited setting, the British have made that a crime, punishable by jail sentence. And so the ideas that we are talking about of coercive persuasion and so on are now starting to have traction in a wider community beyond the cultic studies world. And along those lines, in New Jersey, the New Jersey legislature passed a law ordering a report on what they call predatory alienation, which is that?
It's my wife.
Excellent. A great name and a great idea. And in some way, maybe predatory alienation is the successor to undue influence. Leave undue influence for the financial will contest and so on, and take predatory alienation using the British idea of controlling behavior and then make that into a law. Are there going to be vague cases where we don't really know whether this is a case of predatory alienation or not? Sure. But how precise is the term due process of law? How precise is the term unconscionable contract? And how precise is the term reasonable doubt? Do you know that there are courts that refuse to allow judges to tell juries what reasonable doubt means? Because it's undefinable and it will confuse juries even more. Predatory alienation can't be any worse than due process of law.